Welcome students. Today our revision classes of class 10th. The chapter is real number, and one of the important questions, that is the find the SCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120 by formula. Now first of all, that is SCF, we have to find SCF. Now the factor of 6 is, that is, what is the factor of 6? That is 2 into 3. And now 72 is, that is 2 into 2. Here now we have to find this method. Now this is, that is 2, 36. Here 2, 18. That is 2, 9, 3, 3. And that is 3 is 1. If you have any problem, then you have to use this method to find the factor of 72. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 into 3 into 3. Now here we can write this in the formula, that is 2 pi power 1 into 3 pi power 1. That is 1 times. Here 1, 2, 3, 2 pi power 3. In case of multiplication, if the base are same, then the power is added to each other into 3 pi 2 bar multiply, that is 3 pi power 2. And now 120, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, and 24 5 ja, that is 120. Now here we can write this 2 pi power 3 into 3 pi power 1 into 5 pi power 1. That is SCF. Here SCF is, now the highest common factor. What is the common? 2 pi power 1 is the smallest factor of this, that is 2 pi power 1. Here 2 pi power 3, here 2 pi power 3. Now 2 will come on the whole, that is 2 into. Here that is 1 3 pi power 1, 3, that is 3 pi power 2, that is 3 pi power 1. The smallest power of 3 is, that is 1. So we can write that is 3. Here now the SCF of this is 6. Now again we find, that is by formula taken only 2, that is SCF of here 6, 72 and 120 is equal to 6. Now we have to find SCF of only 2, that is 6 and 72. Here 6, here 72, that is equal to only 6. Now this is also 6, and SCF of 72 120. Now here look here, that is 72, 2 pi power 3, that is 2 pi power 3, 3 pi power 2, but 3 pi power 1, this is the smallest factor. Now we have to write, that is 2 pi power 3 into 3 pi power 1, that is 8 into 3, now that is 24. Here again the SCF of 6 and 120. Now again SCF of 6 and 120. Here we can write, that is, here look here, that is 2 pi power 1, here 2 pi power 3, the smallest factor 2 pi power 1, 3 pi power 1, here 3 pi power 1. Therefore only 2 pi power 1 into 3 pi power 1, that is equal to 6. Now we have to use the formula of LCM. If 3 numbers are given, then write the formula of LCM. Therefore we know that since LCM of A, B, C is equal to, that is A into B into C into SCF of A, B, C and whole upon this one, SCF of AB into SCF of BC and now into SCF of that is CA. Here, look here. Now write what is A? 6, that is A is equal to 6 into 72 into 120. And now the SCF of ABC is here. All the SCF of ABC, that is 6. Now 6 upon, here look here, that is SCF of 672, that is also 6. BC means 72 this, that is 24 into 6 and 120, that is 6. Now this one is written in this form. Therefore here we can write first of all, that is now here, that is A is equal to 6, B is equal to 72 and C is equal to 120. Now take, that is right, 6 1 ja 6, that is 6 is also cancelled, here this is also cancelled, and 24 1 ja here, that is 3. Now 3 into 120, which is 360. If we have to check this, now the new method is LCM is here, look here, that is now if you check this, so therefore now by prime factorization method, that is LCM of this is in smallest classes, that is 6, 72 and 120t. Now we can use this formula, that is 2 3 ja 6, 36, that is 60. Now here 2 3 18 30, again 2, that is 3 9 15, again 3 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja again 3, that is 1 1 and 5, and now this one is 5, 1 1 and 1. Therefore LCM is equal to here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now we have to multiply this. 5 3 ja 15, 15 3 ja 45, 45 2 ja 90, 92 ja 180 and 182 ja 360. Now we can find LCM by prime factorization method and now by formula. Thank you.